Right, this is about the noises in my EV3 after 1 year of driving. This is a follow-up to my 1-year review. As I showed in that video, the charge door squeaks, the boot rattles, and I've got this weird creaking noise when I seem to be moving back and forwards. Right, today I'm going to show you how to lubricate a few things with some silicone lubricants. There are a few things I've mentioned in my 1-year review I've had issues with. The first one was the charge door squeak. So I'm going to use this WD-40 Specialist Silicone, which is £8 at Amazon, and you'll hear the noise. To wipe that off. And the charge door now sounds, see that opens very easily now. It didn't before, it was squeaking. It took me 3 goes to get the lubricant in properly. I was probably squirting in the wrong place, but it's got to go around the back of there and in the side, so it might take you a few goes. Definitely the tailgate rattling. Someone in the comments suggested spraying the boot mechanism, the lock mechanism. Can't see the point of doing that, but anyway, we'll see how we get on. Put it on there. Right, I'll just run down our road and back over the speed bumps, and you should hear that it's not rattling like it was before. So hopefully no rattle. I'll turn around and come back down. All I can think of is the lubrication must allow the electric lock to clamp on more than when it's dry or something, so it must be that. Anyway, you can't hear it now. It's nothing like it, you know, it's not there anymore. It's a different car. Right, so I've tried a radio mic on there to see if I can pick up where the creak's coming from. I think that's picking up radio interference from the motor and the rest of the electronics, so I'm going through a wired mic plugged into my iPad to record it, and I'm going to plug it in the same place. Right, so iPad's in the front. and the microphone is just hanging there. And I'll just press record and put the bonnet down and try driving. I've disabled the vehicle electronic sound because that gets in the way. So you can see that 10 amp fuse. The fuse diagrams are online. My fuse box hasn't got a diagram on the back, but they're around and you can find them. Right, my recordings yesterday in the engine bay have taken me a bit closer to what I think's happening. So I tried dialing down the regen because I suspected it was something to do with the brake servo mechanism that was doing the creaking. I've also turned on the screen here to show the car because that shows the brake lights coming on, and they're currently on because we're in iPedal stop mode. And this morning I found that iPedal mode, I could just recreate the noise on my drive. So I just slightly touch the accelerator, and I've also turned off the VESS again. And you can hear that. Seems to coincide almost with the brake lights coming on and going off. And now I'm going to record close to where I think the servo mechanism is under the bonnet. So I've clipped the pump onto the brake pipe, which I think that's the servo motor behind it, and that's what's putting the power assist on the brakes. So my mic's there. So I'll record that when I'm in the car and whilst from the engine bay. Right, so I'm recording in the engine bay and inside the car, and I'll just put it into reverse. And I've got the central graphics set to the car so you can see the lights going in and off. So now if I just wiggle the accelerator with my foot, that is the sound. And I don't think there's anything I can do about it. I can't see anything to lubricate, so if anyone's got any insight, please let me know in the comments. Anyway, from that recording you can hear clearly that I think it's the brake servo mechanism that's making the creaking noise. When you switch to iPedal, you turn off the vehicle electronic sound system, that's the vehicle noise, and you turn off auto hold, then you can clearly hear it, and that's the clearest I've actually heard it at all. Anyway, so I fixed the charge door with silicone lubricant, and I've fixed the boot rattle with silicone lubricant. But I don't think I can fix the creak in the brake servo because I can't see a moving part to lubricate. But it definitely sounds like a spring kind of thing, so I just don't know. Anyway, hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.